Hi, I'm Myrick with Redline Roofing,
And I'm Zach Tresatti with Malarkey Roofing Products.
and today you're going to hear a little bit about what we've done on the exterior of this home from our customer, Dr. Melott, and also from Zach on the products we use with Malarkey. So we took this gutter system, it was a half round system, to a 6-inch gutter. Before, the water was just shooting over the top of the half round and it was essentially useless. Now we've actually switched it to the 6-inch case style, but we've added the custom round downspouts to the gutter so that it still keeps that kind of custom look. And yeah, so it's doing very well now. We installed this siding here that you're seeing behind me on 5 different areas of the home. We had to custom level all of it to give it a custom stagger look that they were looking for on this particular style of house. And then we of course repainted all of this area as well. So originally this house had a very dull looking yellow color on the brick, and then the trims are also some dark grays. We took this to a more vibrant looking color, and the homeowners just loved it.
The Windsor product that we provide is a Class 4 impact rated shingle. It has Scotchgard technology to prevent it from algae growth with all these trees around it, and it's just a great option for the homeowner from what they had to what they're getting. Especially with the Easy Ridge high profile, it really makes the roof pop. Redline Roofing we've been working with for years out here. They didn't just do the roof, they did a full remodel on this house. They did painting on the siding, new siding, and gutters, and it just looks, from the pictures I saw before to what it looks like now, is a whole different house, and it looks fantastic.
I'll tell you what, I don't believe there's any other contractor in this area that's as thorough as these guys are. The quality of their work is unquestionable. The quality of their materials that they're using is there's no question in my mind. I fully recommend Redline.